Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about making money with Bitcoin without investing. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. It is possible to make money without purchasing Bitcoin, but only if you are aware that the passive income you generate will only be enough to support your initial investment in the Bitcoin market. We will now go over the most well-liked strategies for beginners to make money with free Bitcoin in 2022 without having to invest any funds in the system. Take part in contests with cryptocurrency payouts. On a number of websites, gamification systems have been implemented that let you earn cryptocurrencies that can later be converted into Bitcoins. For those who are skilled traders, many cryptocurrency exchanges host tournaments. If you are not an experienced trader but have blockchain projects to offer as a different source of income, another choice is a Bitcoin portfolio competition. Sell products from third parties that accept Bitcoin. As the currency's popularity increases, more and more items will be purchased using it. Many of these products could be advertised via social media, a website, or even a video channel thanks to an affiliate program. Selling third-party goods and the commissions received from such purchases are great ways to make money with Bitcoin. Play video games with Bitcoin rewards. Blockchain technology is currently being used by many video game platforms in their virtual worlds to promote in their marketplace and to reward participation. You can keep, trade, or even sell the Bitcoin you earn from playing video games. Solve crypto puzzles to reveal Bitcoin rewards. One way that relatively few people are aware of to make money with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is by solving so-called crypto puzzles that hide Bitcoin awards. 12 words which can be found in a work of art, a photograph, or even a comic book make up a Bitcoin wallet. Accept cryptocurrencies as payments. Certainly, Bitcoin is a valid form of payment for services, whether they are provided online or in person. People are accustomed to receiving payments in cryptocurrencies all over the world. If you receive payment in Bitcoin, you have the choice to sell it if you think its value will increase, enabling you to make money from accepting Bitcoin as payment. Become a YouTube or crypto influencer. Anyone who is committed to the crypto community and is knowledgeable about it can easily instruct others who are just getting started by setting up a channel of educational content about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology. As a YouTuber and Bitcoin influencer, you can perform webinars, videos, live streams, and even write a book. As soon as you are able to produce captivating content that stands out from the competition and offers a real value, your audience will quickly expand and you will begin to make money. By carefully examining the benefits and drawbacks of this cryptocurrency, In this excellent tutorial, you can learn how to make money with Bitcoin. Both investing in Bitcoin and not investing in Bitcoin are excellent ways to make money with Bitcoin. The last thing to emphasize is the pitfalls to avoid. It is now or never for you to start making money with Bitcoin in 2022 and take the first step toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It is available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now.